Hello and welcome back. Let's learn push and pull activity in daily routine. Where do we use the push and pull activity? We push things away to move them further. Or we pull things our way to bring them near us. That is the difference. But sometimes we can do both. So we push things away from us. Sometimes we push things away fast like pushing a swing. But sometimes we push them slow like that baby stroller. We can pull things towards us when we want to move them closer. Just like that rope pull game. Nice! We will pull the arrow in a bow harder so we can make it shoot. But sometimes we need to pull gently like walking a dog and pulling the string gently so the dog walks nicely. So we have learned that we do the pull activity to bring things closer to us or keep them closer. Or we can push things to move them further or make them work. We have also learned that can pull things gently or stronger, and we can also push things gently or harder. Which one of them do you use more daily? If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.